Hello everyone, my name's Christine Murphy. My presentation is on the biography Grace Hopper and the Invention of the Information Age by Kurt Beyer. Grace Hopper was a programming pioneer who rose to fame for her contributions to the field and her service to the United States during World War II. She is one of the most commonly credited programmers in the invention of the coding language COBOL. When she was in her late teens and early 20s, it was not unusual for young women to get an undergraduate degree, work for a few years, and then get married and start a family. Grace was an exception because she pursued a graduate degree and continued working after she was married. By 1983, she rose to the rank of Rear Admiral in the Navy. Her career began at Vassar College in the mathematics department. In her early years, she was given the rudimentary classes that more seasoned professors did not enjoy teaching. After auditing classes throughout the university, she used her knowledge of other fields to rebuild her courses to be interdisciplinary. Students from all departments started to take math courses because of her curriculum changes. She left her position at Vassar to join the military during World War II. Beyer refers to the creation of COBOL as distributed invention. While Hopper was the leader of this invention, it would not have been possible without the contributions of her teammates. The credit is distributed amongst the group. Hopper's dedication to interdisciplinary studies, accessibility, and inclusivity made this style of invention a natural choice. COBOL stands for Common Business Oriented Language. COBOL is a standardized coding language created for business purposes. It is one of the oldest coding languages, and it is still in use today in many industries. Hopper was passionate about making COBOL interdisciplinary. An interdisciplinary coding language is not only more accessible to professionals of varying fields, it also encourages programmers to think more abstractly and creatively. Interdisciplinary thinking is essential for the creation and distribution of knowledge. Eliminating bias is essential for camaraderie amongst colleagues. Beyer also claims that feminism was not a concern for Grace Hopper, only that she sought to eliminate bias in order to create an inclusive coding language. However, this goal is in line with feminist ideals. Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see what you all thought about the discussion questions.